Hi, welcome to MarineMax. We're in Cumming, Georgia, down this chilly winter morning. Today we're looking at a Crest 270 Continental. This is the boat for pontoon boats. Based on its size, its luxury items, the immense amount of fiberglass incorporated to it. Notice the wraparound windshield, the enclosed camper if you want to overnight this boat. This boat has it all. Center tune storage, a Verado powered by a Verado 350 horsepower Merc Cruiser, upgraded stereo, changing room, built-in table. Coming back, you've got a nice dash panel with a SIMRAD display unit, GPS built in, glove box for the passenger. You've got a air dam to close off the bow, completely closes in for year-round use. Got a digital throttle, comfortable seats, lots of storage. This boat has an immense amount of storage everywhere you look. The seats are all high-grade material, marine vinyl. Everything is raised slightly off the deck so that everything drains off the boat so you avoid mildew problems. I've got a Junior Beast tow bar in the rear. Nice stainless steel 4-rung boarding ladder. Boat has a built-in battery charger. It also has true power steering. It's Optimus. It's unique to Crest. It provides the ultimate performance and experience in driving this boat. It's a 2-finger operation to drive this boat at any speed. You feel no torque from the engine whatsoever. This is the ultimate in pontoon boats for people who want to experience the roominess of a pontoon boat but have the performance and luxury of a more conventional boat. Thank you for coming.